Welcome to a home that truly over-delivers. If you've been searching for low-maintenance living with fresh interiors and an oversized floor plan, this Balga property is a sleeper hit you won't want to miss. Set on a 207 square meter block, with an impressive 133 square meters of internal living, this home offers far more space than your standard villa. Inside, you'll find a huge open-plan living area with split-system air conditioning, an elevated second living or dining zone with polished timber floors, and a modernized kitchen complete with stainless steel appliances and a dishwasher. Both bedrooms are generously sized with great natural light, and the contemporary bathroom features a walk-in shower, updated vanity and clean, neutral tiling. Sliding doors open out to the rear outdoor area, giving you the perfect low-maintenance space to relax or entertain. Secure parking and additional storage add even more convenience. This home is ideal for first home buyers, downsizers and investors alike. All the hard work is done. Simply move in, rent out, or add your personal touch. Your moments from Balga Primary School, Sterling Leisure Centre, Mirrabooka Square, Warwick Grove and major transport links, with parks and community facilities all around you. Homes offering this combination of size, condition and value rarely come to market. It's the perfect first home, a strong investment, and completely stress-free. For more information or to arrange an inspection, contact selling agent Daniel Sard on 0449 818 187 or email daniel@propropertygroup.com.au.